Hello everyone, it's your boy Tim back again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, consider liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's been long I posted a video on this channel, and this time around I want to flaunt, actually. I want to show you guys some results. Okay, I promise I'm not going to be showing you guys results on this channel because of some reasons personal to me. But this time around, I'm going to be showing you guys not my result, but my students' results. If you guys remember back in December, I dropped a course. And the title of the course is Google AdSense / ADX Master Course. And the price of that course was around $100. Then I slashed it to around $50 because of the Christmas. A lot of people actually enrolled into the course, and I gave you guys the grace of 2 months. Okay, the promo was supposed to last for just the Christmas period, but I extended it to more than 2 months, and a lot of people actually got into the course, about 50 people or so. Okay, then I increased the cost back to $250,000. But then this whole cost thing actually taught me a lesson. If these are two products, and this is Elon Musk promoting this one, and this is me promoting this one. Okay, even if Elon Musk is selling this one for $1,000 and I'm selling this one for just $50, people are still gonna buy this. Reason because this is Elon Musk of all people, Elon Musk. I mean, this is just me selling this one for just $50. So that's what's actually playing out in the whole course of a thing that I dropped. Okay, so a lot of people did not actually get the course, probably because it's coming at a very cheap price, and they felt like, okay, this guy is actually not going to drop a lot of values in it. But then I promised you guys value, and I don't play with my words. I don't bluff. So I'm going to be actually flaunting a lot of results, starting from the ones that are balanced, the ones that are still grinding, the ones that are still pulling in thousands of dollars, and all of that. Okay. So when I realized that people were not actually taking the advantage of the price, I had to increase it back. All right. So I made it not affordable this time around so that a lot of people will not be in the course, and I don't want to actually let out the information to a lot of people. So I'm going to be putting out the videos they made. Some of them made. I actually told them to record a video of their results and then to send it to me. And then I'm going to upload it. I'm going to put it batch by batch and batch. So just go ahead and enjoy the video, the results, and also I'm going to be putting out some screenshots of their balanced accounts. Okay, then this month is actually a very special month to me. I'm going to be clocking 25 years by 21st of March. So I decided to give you guys discount for the course. So I slashed it down again to 100,000. So after watching the results, you can decide to get it if you want. If you don't want, I mean, it's none of my business though. So enjoy the video. See you guys. So we'll have 250,000 now here. And the reason why I kind of increased it to this amount was because I didn't want to accept more people, because I don't want people to misuse the information in the course. Okay. But then a lot of people have been complaining that the price is outrageous. And mind you, I left the price at 50,000 for over 2 months, but only few people got into the course. Okay. But this month, I'm going to be celebrating my birthday. And for that reason, I'm going to slash the cost. Okay, I'm going to slash it to 100,000. So, you guys should rush and get it. I'm going to drop the link down there. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my students' results. Like I said, okay. So the result is going to amaze you, and 21st is fast approaching. Most of them will be smiling to the bank. So let me go ahead and update it and saved. Okay, so use the link down there in the description of the video and grab it now before I increase it back to the price it was before. Okay.
Hello guys, I would like to share the last 2 days of my results with you. So the results from yesterday are around 180, and for both last 2 days, as we can see, 512. It's a live report, and thank you for Don for the coaching. It's really great, and yes, have a nice day, have a good weekend.
Good day everyone. This is my earnings so far for February 1st till 17th. After getting Don Team's blueprint course, so I've been able to make $3.28K as revenue, then $134 ECPM with a viewability of 84.5%, impressions 56.51K. Yeah. So after getting the course, I started a little bit slow. Yeah, as you can see, February 1st, my revenue and my ECPM was not encouraging. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, then till February 2nd, I was still having issues. Working with a very low ECPM and revenue. Yeah. Then from February 1st to February 6th, my ECPM came up and I was able to hit my first 1K dollars on it. So that is it.
My S-Block account with this also. The non-programmatic, that around $953. Then the programmatic, the 1.3K.
Boss, see my result for today. I would like to share with you my progress on ADX so far. I started working on this account yesterday and I made over $1,000, and today I made over $1,000 too. In total I'm having 2,000 plus, and I'm still working on this account. I got my method from Dom Team. He guided me on how to do everything, and this is my result so far. I am very, very grateful, Dom Team. Thank you very much for everything you've done for me and for us on this journey. Thank you.